being on camera for the news, yes, your content is slightly different, but the best practices are always the same. It's connecting with your audience. It's realizing that even if you're speaking to a live audience of millions, sometimes the way I was, you're always only talking to one person. It's an audience of one, and that's how you make the connection. Sometimes it's easy to get in our heads about how many eyeballs are on the other side of that lens, or what they're doing, because we can't see you know, what they're thinking, what they're saying. Remembering that you're talking to one person. And when I was first starting out in the news business, one of the ways that I would make that connection until I got comfortable enough with my skills and my ability to perform was to imagine my, whoever fit that demographic in the news business. It was obviously my audience there. In my current business, it's my clients. And think about somebody I know well, who I trust, who fits that demographic. And then I talk to them. And it sort of takes, if you can get into that mindset, it takes all of that other fear away from it. And you're just talking. It's really all you're doing. No matter where you are, you're having a conversation with a friend, or you're having a conversation with a million friends. You're talking all the same. It's just that the way you perform that speech is slightly different.